Princess Lily was taking a walk by her lovely castle one day. She suddenly saw a light flash in a room that she had never gone in before. After her walk, she went in that room. It was very dark. It was really dark and spooky. Then she saw a monster. It was green with ripped clothes and weird eyes. She turned around to run. She started screaming, "Ah!" When she turned around to look, the monster was chasing her. She started screaming again. When she looked forward, she bumped into a purple monster with slimy arms and 7 eyes. She screamed as loud as she could. She found out the purple monster was magic and turned her into a crow. All of a sudden, her fairy godmother, Amber, told Prince Charming there were 2 monsters, and the purple monster turned Princess Lily into a crow. The fairy godmother told the prince he had to kiss her at midnight or the spell won't break, and Lily would stay like that forever. So the prince told the crow to meet him in the garden a little before midnight. And she did. At exactly 12 o'clock, the prince kissed the crow, and she turned back into a princess. And they lived happily ever after. The end.